Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Madhya from Federal Science College, Kazvin, Dr. Tonguchawala. Today we are going to start how matrices can be added and subtracted. In the previous lecture, we have explained in detail how matrices can be added and subtracted. Now we move to next topic, commutative law under addition and associative law under addition. Two matrices can be added if and only if their order will be same. But in commutative law, if we take two matrices A plus B, then their answer will be equal to B plus A. Both the answer will be equal. Left hand side and right hand side will be equal. Then these matrices are called commutative law under addition. For associative law, three matrices are required. In this law, we require three matrices. First, we will solve A plus B and then add this matrix in C. In the right hand side, we will take again B plus C and we will solve it and then add into A. These two left hand side and right hand side will be equal, then this law will be verified. We are moving to next exercise, exercise 1.3, question number 5. Here three matrices are given A, B and C. We have to solve the commutative law under addition. A plus C is equal to C plus A. First we will take a left hand side. A plus C. Write the matrix A plus matrix C. We will add these two matrices if and only if their order will be same. Matrix A has 3 by 3 order, matrix B has 3 by 3 order. So these can be added. To add them, we will add corresponding elements of these two matrices. First row will be added into first row. In the first row, first element will be added into corresponding elements -1. In the first row, second element will be added into corresponding element 0. In the first row, third element will be added into 0. Means corresponding elements will be added. Corresponding elements means the elements which have the same position. Same in row second, 2, 3, 1, it will be added in corresponding elements. 2 will be at 0, 3 will be added -2, 1 will be at +3. Again in row 3 matrices, 1 into 1 at 1 plus 1, -1 plus 1, 0 plus 2. To solve these matrices, we get a new matrix 0, 2, 3, 2, 1, 4 and 2, 0, 2. This is the simplification of A plus C. Now we will move the right hand side, C plus A. First we will write the matrix C, add matrix A. Here again we see that the order of a matrix C is 3 by 3 and the order of matrix B is also 3 by 3. Their order will be same, so these two matrices can be added. Again here we add corresponding elements. Corresponding elements means elements have the same position. In the first row, -1 will be at +1, 0 will be at +2, 0 will be at +3. In the second row, 0 will be added +2, -2 will add +3, +3 will add in 1. And in the third row, 1 will be added into 1, 1 will be added into -1, 2 will be added into 0. To simplify this matrix, we get a 0, 2, 3, 2, 1, 4, 2, 0, 2. Here we see that both left hand side and right hand sides are equal, hence proved A plus C is equal to C plus A. Means when we solve the commutative law under addition, the answer of left hand side will be equal to the right hand side. Next question number 10, 2A plus 2B is equal to 2 bracket A plus B. Here again we see that left hand side is equal to right hand side. We have to prove that. First we will take our left hand side 2A plus 2B. Here we see that 2 will be multiplied by matrix A and 2 will be multiplied by matrix B. First we will multiply 2 by all the elements of the matrices. 2 will be multiplied 1, 2 into 2, 2 into 3, 2 into 2, 2 into 3 and 2 into 1. and so on. Here also we see that 2 will be multiplied by all the elements of the matrices. When we multiply these elements, we will get the answer 2, 4, 6, 4, 6, 2, 2 minus 2, 0, plus 2 minus 2, 2, 4 minus 4, 2, 4 minus 4, 4, 6, 2, 6. Here we see that again we will add these two matrices. These two matrices will be added only and only if their order will be same. Here we see that their order will be same, 3 by 3 order, so we will add the corresponding elements. 2 will be added into 2, 4 will add into minus 2, 6 will add into plus 2. Again in second row, 4 will be added into 4, 6 minus 4, 2 plus 4. And in the third row, 2 plus 6 minus 2 plus 2, 0 plus 6. We will add all the corresponding elements and we get the answer 428, 826 and 806. This is the simplification of left hand side. Now we will move the right hand side. In the right hand side we have to see that 2 bracket a plus b. According to bracket rule, first we will solve the bracket a plus b. Always first we will solve the bracket a plus b. To simplify this a plus b, again two matrices will be added. These two matrices will be added because their order will be same. Now we will add the corresponding elements of these two matrices. 1 plus 1, 2 minus 1, 3 plus 1, 2 plus 2, 3 minus 2, 1 plus 2, 1 plus 3, minus 1 plus 1, 0 plus 3. These two matrices will be added. The answer of this matrix will be 2, 1, 4, 4, 1, 3, 4, 0, 3. This is the solution of a plus b. Now we see that 2 bracket a plus b, 2 will be multiplied by these matrices. Again here we see that we multiply real number 2 by all the elements of the matrices. 2 will be multiplied by 2, 2 will be multiplied by 1, 2 will be multiplied by 4, 2 into 4, 2 into 1, 2 into 3, 2 into 4, 2 into 0 and 2 into 3. We will multiply all the elements by 2. To simplify this matrix, we will get the answer 428, 826, 806. Here we see that the answer of left hand side and right hand side will be equal. So left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence prove 2a plus 2b is equal to bracket a plus b. This is the simplification of 2a plus 2b is equal to 2a bracket a plus b. Now question number 7. This is the property of equal matrices. Here we see that this is the property of equal matrix. We have to find the values of a and b, unknown values. To solve this question, first we see that left hand side 2 multiply 2, 2 multiply 4, 2 multiply minus 3, 2 into a. 2 will be multiplied by all the elements of the matrix, plus 3 will be multiplied by all the elements of the matrices. Equal, this matrix after equal will remain same. We will solve first left hand side. 2 multiply 2, 4, 2 multiply 4, 8, 2 into minus 6 and 2 into a, 2a, plus 3, 3b, 24 minus 12. Here we see that these two matrices will be added. Corresponding elements will be added. 4 plus 3, 8 plus 3b, because 3b will not be added into 8, so it will be written as 8 plus 3b. Minus 6 plus 24, 2a minus 12. This matrix will remain same. To solve this matrix, 4 plus 3 is equal to 7, 8 plus 3b, 18, 2a minus 12, 7, 10, 18, 1. Here we see that we have to find the values of b and a. Compare the corresponding elements, because in equal matrices we have to see that corresponding elements will be equal. Corresponding elements will be equal. 8 plus 3b is equal to 10. 2a minus 12 is equal to 1. 8 plus 3b is equal to 10. 2a minus 12 is equal to 1. To solve this equation, we have to find the value of b. 3b will remain same. Plus 3 will move on the other side. It will become minus 8. 2a minus 12 will move other side. It will become plus 12. यहाँ हमने b की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है. 3b इज इक्वल टू 2 और यहाँ पे a की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है. 2a इज इक्वल टू 13. b 3 से मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है, दूसरी साइड पे जाएगा तो डिवाइड हो जाएगा. a इज इक्वल टू 13, a 2 से मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है, इक्वल के बाद जाके डिवाइड हो जाएगा. A इज इक्वल टू, नो द वैल्यू ऑफ A इज इक्वल टू 13/2 एंड B इज इक्वल टू 2/3. होमवर्क है एक्सरसाइज 1.3 क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 and 7. All the remaining parts of the question, these question will be done on the copy. All parts will be done on the copy. Thank you. Have a nice day.